So this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a 2007 Takeuchi TL150 that we have for sale. I'm just going to take a slow walk around it, let you get a good look at it. Notice it's got a real good undercarriage. Sprockets, I mean, they look great. Hope you can see them good because they're awesome. Now it could use a set of tracks. Personally, I wouldn't put a set on it right yet. I kind of like to run them until they fall off, but I can get you a set for about $1,500 a side for this machine, but I wanted to offer it at a very low price. Instead of putting the tracks on it, I thought I'd just let you have the option of whether you wanted to have the tracks put on it or not. It's a 97 horsepower machine. This particular machine has AC and heat, but it is missing the front door. You can get that front door for about $2,000. And about the AC and heat, whether they work or not, I have no idea what it would take to get them going in perfect condition, you know, because the front door is missing. But as far as the way the machine runs and operates, I mean, it runs and operates great. Joystick controls, auxiliary hydraulics. It has the comfort ride seat in it. Has a really nice tooth bucket on it. I mean, it's just a really nice machine. And I'm asking $23,900 or best offer for this machine. And I'm gonna turn the camera over to my wife and I'm gonna get in it and let you see it run. You can see this machine runs and operates flawlessly, and it's just a really good running machine. We did get a good hard rain last night, so you might see a little water coming out of the belly pan, but I promise you it's just water. And it's a good machine, ready to go to work for you, no problems. Call me at 817-726-7082. You can see all of our machines by going to our website at TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you, and you have a great day.